Hello, today we will discuss about recent info inquiry about Bangladesh. Question: on what date the government promulgated an ordinance redefining the term freedom fighter? Answer: 3 June 2025. Question: recently in which area of Bangladesh a preliminary testing has detected traces of natural gas? Answer: Tatapara village of Jamalpur's Madarganj Upazila. Question: the country's first monorail is said to be constructed in Chattogram. Question: in which district 56th Public University will be launched? Answer: Bogura. 12 June 2025 Chief Advisor Professor Muhammad Yunus. Which award received? Answer: King Charles III Harmony Award 2025. Question: what is the size of national budget for the fiscal year 2025-26? Answer: 790,000 crore. Question: on what date was the national budget announced for the 2025-26 fiscal financial year? Answer: 2 June 2025. Question: on what date Google Pay service officially inaugurated in Bangladesh? Answer: 24 June 2025 or 2025. Question: first South Asian country to join UN Water Convention is dash. Answer: Bangladesh, 20 June 2025. Question: newly installed air defense radar at Bogura radar unit of Bangladesh Air Force dash. Answer: GM 403M. What is the position of Dhaka University according to QS World University Ranking 2026? Answer: 584th. International. Question: on 30 May 2025, which country formed International Organization for Mediation IOMED or IOMED in Hong Kong? Answer: China. Question: on what date US Army's 250th anniversary was held? Answer: 12 June 2025. Question: what is the code name of Israeli attack against Iran on 13 June 2025? Answer: Operation Rising Lion. Question: what is the code name of Iran's retaliatory attack against Israel? Answer: Operation True Promise the Third. Question: on what date USA conducted Operation Midnight? Or I'm repeating the question again. On what date USA conducted Operation Midnight Hammer against Iran? The name of the operation of USA conducted is Operation Midnight Hammer against Iran is 22 June 2025. Question: on 4 June 2025, who became President of South Korea? Answer: Lee Jae-myung. Lee Jae-myung. Question: on 2 June 2025, which UN body recognized Palestine as a non-member observer state? Answer: International Labour Organization ILO. Question: at which organization the Palestinian delegation own the right to fly their flag? Answer: World Health Organization WHO. Question: the world's highest railway bridge, Shenab Bridge, is situated in over the Chenab River in Riezi district. of Jammu and Kashmir, India? Question. Which country has opened world's first AI medical clinic? Answer. Saudi Arabia. Question. First Indian to travel to the International Space Station dash. Answer is Shubhangshu Shukla. Reports. Question. Only nation among 186 that achieves full self-sufficiency in food production according to Nature Food Journal is Guyana. Question. Which country has the highest deployed nuclear weapon according to Stockholm International Peace Research Institute SIPRI is 2025? And answer. United States. Question. According to SIPRI, highest importer of weapon dash. Answer is Ukraine, 8.8%. Question. According to Food Outlook 2025, highest producer of wheat is China. Question. Most peaceful country of the world according to Global Peace Index 2025 is Iceland. Question. Top country in 2025 IMD World Competitiveness ranking is Switzerland. Sports. Question. Who won the UEFA Champions League in 2025? Answer. Paris Saint-Germain. Paris Saint-Germain. Paris Saint-Germain. Question. Who won 2025 French Open men's singles final? Answer. Carlos Alcaraz from Spain. Question. Who won European Golden Shoe 2024-25? Answer. Kylian Mbappe. Question. Which team won ICC World Test Championship 2023 to 2025? Answer. South Africa. Thank you so much.